Tired of just listening to the same old radio stations during your commute? Let's turn your Apple CarPlay into a mobile entertainment hub with YouTube TV. First things first, ensure your iPhone is successfully connected to your car's infotainment system via Apple CarPlay. You should see the CarPlay interface on your car's screen. Now, a little heads up, YouTube TV isn't directly available as a CarPlay app, so we'll need a workaround on your iPhone. Head over to the App Store. In the App Store, search for a web browser that supports CarPlay. Google Chrome is a popular option, so download and install it on your iPhone. Once installed, Google Chrome should now appear as an available app on your Apple CarPlay display. Tap on the Chrome icon to launch the browser. Inside Chrome, type in YouTube in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the YouTube TV website. You will be prompted to sign in. Use your Google account credentials to log into your YouTube TV account. And there you have it. You can now browse through live channels, on-demand content, and DVR recordings, all directly on your car's screen via YouTube TV. Remember to prioritize safe driving. Keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Use voice commands whenever possible to navigate YouTube TV while driving. Now you can enjoy your favorite shows and sporting events on the go, but always responsibly.